Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change the time and date on your BMW. This is an E92 model and it's a 2013 plate. UK car, right-hand drive. So normally you would just do it via the stalk here. I've already done videos on how to do that. It's much easier. But let's say if this stalk's not working, you can actually do it via here. So we're going to put our key in the ignition, but we don't have to turn the engine on. And we're going to go to menu here. And we're going to go to config. And we're going to go to time, and then basically this is how we move things around. So if we were to go to format, you can change between 12 and 24 hours. So I'm going to go to 12 hour, and then I'm just going to click in, and now I've got hours here, so you can rotate clockwise and counterclockwise until you get your correct hours. So pretend it's 9 o'clock in the evening, press in, it will then go to minutes. Again, you can rotate either way, press in, it will go to the month. So let's pretend now it is July, and then it will go to day. So it's going to be July the 31st, and then press in again and it will go to the year, and you can see the years scrolling up there. So pretend it's 2028, and then click in again, and that is it, you are done. So now when you press this button here, you can see that it's all been updated, and it will also update it up here as well. Thanks for watching.